2024, a year of light and transformation, insights from the New Earth Plan. We are part of a divine plan for the New Earth and the Age of Aquarius. Dear cosmic family of this space, let your light shine to bless the world, every soul in your life, your family, your friends, and bring the true divine radiance of God throughout this year. Let us flow with faith in this transcendent change in our lives, taking the quantum leap without looking back. May universal energy guide every step in your life. Enjoy this moment because it is unique and will never return, as we can never embrace, enjoy, or celebrate this moment with the same people or in the same situations again. Allow this to be a greater blessing in your life. The time has come to be the unique expression of the Source. Honor yourself in this spiritual journey. Be true to what feels right in your heart. We are not separate from this universe and everything in it. Each one of us is in the transition to the age of light. This birth is still in process at this moment, and it is very important to be prepared at all levels and to be beacons of light of the new earth. Daily, the influx of light energies to the earth is reconfiguring Gaia's energy centers and the interior of its magnetic core. This is a process of complete multidimensional alignment, and it will continue to accelerate as the months go by this year. The connection with the heart is a natural stabilizer for us. It is like our sacred compass, giving us a point of reference to stay in perfect balance during this transition. Embrace this year with much joy and gratitude for everything that is happening on the planet, with the influx of higher frequencies of light, because each arrival of new energy lifts us higher to serve the greater good. Receive with gratitude and harmoniously assimilate all these energies. Receive these higher energies in a high state of vibration. Focus on the center of your heart and express gratitude for your blessings, and ask to serve as a conduit for a greater elevation. Feel love for everyone, and do not forget that every being comes from the same source and carries a spark of the divine to manifest unity with all beings and all creation. May universal energy guide every step of your life. Decree: from today, I will live and receive the best gifts of my life. So it is. It already is. Amen. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path.